This is a 2010 Honda Civic, and what happened is if you turn your ACs on and you turn your AC blow motor all the way and you hear nothing, there is no compressor kicking, there's nothing coming out. So I'm going to show a very simple way how to check on that to see why it doesn't have any fan blowing. Okay, a very simple way how to fix it or how to test this, okay, without having a expensive tool to do that. First thing first is read on this panel here, which is under the driver's side, and you have a lot of fuse right here, and you can see there's a number 34, 35, 36, 37 on the top here, and then number on the bottom here, right? And that's direct you to this number here. See, like this, I had number 1 all the way to 11, and then number 12 all the way to 22, and 23 to 33, and 34 to 38, so which is all this number here. Okay, so that will give you the direction to it, and all of this, read it, and you can check all of these fuses. Could be a fuse that cut off, and you can see that people will put alarm or something like that, and you can see all this wiring like that. I hate that, you know, because you gonna screw up sometime. Okay, that's why I don't like alarm in my car. This garbage. Honda have a very good system already. I don't know why people put an alarm on a Honda. Honda have best alarm already. Okay, we'll check to see which one is the blow motor. So let's say after you check all of this and no fuse is blown, right? Okay, under the hood have some too. Check under the hood. And if you check all the fuses and nothing is been broke, so I will show you another way to do that. Second to that, under the driver's side, there is a blow motor. Okay, the blow motor is this big one right here. Okay, you see this 2 wire right here? The 2 wires, just unplug that. And you can test the 2 wire right here by using a very simple tool, just a light tester, to see power coming through right here. Okay, and the 2 wire is the one had to be negative and the other had to be positive. What you have to do is put your ignition to on, so all the light is on, right? So turn your ignition to on like this, so you can see all the lights. Okay, now you coming down here and test it to see you have power to it. Just to put ground anywhere and do that. Check, this is ground. Check on that. You see, so that means the power is coming, power source. So that means the nothing on the fuse blown, anything like that. So that means fuse good. So leading to this blow motor right here, chance is the blow motor is not good. But how to test that, I will show you very simple way too. Find a 9 volts battery, or you can connect it straight to the battery right here. Make sure they don't touch each other. One for the ground here, or you can use the ground in the car where I earlier put in there. So you just remember that the green one is power and the blue one is ground. Okay, what you have to do is put the power either way, don't matter which one, but don't touch each other. Be careful with that. And slowly tap this 2 pin right here. Okay, you see that there's nothing. You apply 12 volt to it and nothing from here, so you directly know that the blow motor is out because no power coming through. So how to take this out is, you see the screw right here, there's a 4 screw under the fan here. just take this 4 screw out and then take the motor out. So on this right here, you can use a socket or you can use a screw, whatever you prefer. This is a plus screw or a 8mm socket. Okay, now the motor is came out already. You can take this to buy a motor and put it in. Okay, I got the new one. Let's plug the new ones in. Very simple way, just plug them back up. What I'm going to do, we're going to screw once in to hold it, and then the rest will be easy. Okay, plug this up and let's go test again to see any blowing. Okay, Mola, you can feel it now. The fan is blowing right now. Okay, turn the AC to see it's cold. Okay, AC is cold, so that means the pump is pumping. But you can go check, we'll see the compressors are kicking or not too. Okay, so both AC and radiator fan is blowing, so that means AC should be working. Okay, see that AC clutch is kicking, both fans on. Okay, so it's good to go because the blow motor is dead, which is the run right here. Okay, so that causing not having any blowing fans on or no AC. So thank you for watching. Very simple test. You should know how to do it. You know, sometimes if you blow or the motor's out, and you can test very simple test with a jump wire or a light tester. You don't have to have an expensive equipment to do all this simple stuff. Okay, all right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Bye bye now.